When it comes to blood pressure, most of the focus is on high readings. That's what everyone talks about. But what about low blood pressure? A lot of people assume it's always a good thing, and sometimes it is. For some, low blood pressure is totally normal and nothing to worry about. But in other cases, it can drop too low, too fast, or stay low because of an underlying health issue. And when that happens, especially if you start feeling dizzy, faint, or unusually weak, it could be a serious warning sign. In this video, we're going to walk you through all the key symptoms of low blood pressure. Because in some situations, it can become a medical emergency. And knowing the signs early can make all the difference. So what actually counts as low blood pressure? Well, it's when your body, especially your organs, aren't getting enough blood and oxygen to function properly. Now here's the thing. According to the American Heart Association, there's no official number that defines low blood pressure. But most experts generally agree. It's considered low when your top number, the systolic, drops below 90. And your bottom number, the diastolic, falls below 60. So if your blood pressure reads something like 84/57, that's considered low. Just like high blood pressure, low blood pressure can turn into a serious issue when symptoms start to show up. One of the first, and probably the most common, symptom is dizziness, or feeling lightheaded. It feels like you're about to fall over, or like the room is spinning for a second. That usually happens when your blood pressure drops too quickly, and your brain isn't getting enough blood. And get this, even a moderate drop, like from 110 down to 90, can be enough to make you feel lightheaded, especially if it happens suddenly. Fainting is also a key symptom associated with low blood pressure. When your brain isn't getting enough blood, you can actually lose consciousness for a few seconds. And that's your body's way of warning you that something isn't right. Another common symptom is blurred vision. Low blood pressure can reduce blood flow to the eyes, making your vision look fuzzy or out of focus. You might also find it harder to concentrate. When your brain isn't getting enough oxygen, staying focused becomes a challenge. And here's something interesting. Studies show that chronic low blood pressure can actually affect your attention and memory over time. Low blood pressure can leave you feeling tired and weak. That's because when your pressure drops too low, your organs don't get enough oxygen-rich blood. Without that steady flow, your body doesn't get the oxygen and nutrients it needs to make energy. And that's why you end up feeling drained, like you just don't have the strength to do much of anything. You might also notice your breathing getting faster. It becomes quicker and more shallow, like you're trying to catch your breath without even realizing it. That's your body's way of reacting to low blood pressure. When there's not enough oxygen circulating through your system, your heart speeds up and your lungs work harder to pull in more air to make up for it. Some people with low blood pressure also experience an upset stomach. That could mean feeling nauseous, bloated, or just having that uncomfortable feeling in your belly that won't go away. This can happen because reduced blood flow affects digestion and slows things down in your gut. Another physical sign to watch for is cold, pale skin. Your skin might feel wet and clammy, and it can lose its normal color. That's because when your pressure drops too low, there isn't enough circulation reaching your hands, feet, and other parts near the surface of your body. Dehydration can happen for all sorts of reasons. And believe it or not, low blood pressure is one of them. Since the causes of low blood pressure can be quite different from person to person, it's important to consult a doctor for personalized guidance and treatment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Blood Pressure Healthcare for more tips on managing and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.